Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever wished for a bigger screen to manage your Clash of Clans village? Playing on PC offers a far more immersive experience, letting you see every detail of your base and battles. You gain precise control with your mouse and keyboard, making troop deployment much easier. Plus, your phone battery will thank you, as you won't be constantly draining it during long gaming sessions. It's truly a game changer for serious players. For a long time, playing mobile games on PC meant using unofficial emulators, but not anymore. By 2025, the only officially supported and recommended way to play Clash of Clans on your computer is through Google Play Games on PC. This platform is developed by Google itself, ensuring a smooth and secure experience. It provides direct access to your favorite Android games right on your Windows desktop. Getting started is quite straightforward. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Google Play Games website. You'll find a clear download button there. Simply click it to grab the installer file. Once downloaded, run the file, and then follow the simple on-screen instructions. The setup process is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step until it's ready to launch. With Google Play Games installed, open the application and sign in using the Google account linked to your Clash of Clans progress. Then, search for Clash of Clans within the game library and install it just like you would on a phone. Once the game loads, make sure to connect your existing village, ideally using your Supercell ID. This ensures all your progress is safely transferred and accessible. Now you're all set to enjoy Clash of Clans on your personal computer. You'll notice the enhanced graphics and incredibly stable performance right away. Mastering troop deployment and base building is much easier with a mouse and keyboard, giving you a real advantage in battles. Remember, sticking to the official Google Play Games platform is the key to a safe, enjoyable, and fully supported gaming experience into the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.